science experiment right now. I'm going to mix these 3 colors. You probably already see them, but we got 2 primary colors here. Dark blue and red. But instead of yellow, it wasn't working in the last science experiment. So we had to change it to blue.
Orange and blue, okay.
Orange and blue.
Okay.
So yeah. So let's just start the experiment. First we're gonna mix red and orange.
What is that in your hand? Tissue paper?
It's a tissue paper.
Okay.
And I saw this experiment in Cassie's art class. Next we're gonna mix red and blue. And last but not least, orange and blue.
Okay, what's gonna happen here?
So right now they're gonna mix. See, red and orange are mixing, right? So the thing is, these 2 colors I'm mixing. All of these I'm mixing together. So I'm gonna it's gonna mix. See, they're almost coming together. It's gonna turn into some new color.
Okay.
Like all of you already know the primary colors, so you may know what these 2 equal.
I don't know.
Okay, so if you don't know, you can watch this science experiment.
Okay.
Let's watch.
So the red and blue, I don't see a difference yet. Blue is taking time.
Blue's gonna take a little time.
Don't mess it up. I think the red and orange is making a yellow, is it?
I think it looks like some people, let the red soak up a little, or I can just dab it here with my finger. So, just gonna let the red soak up a little. I'm dabbing it with my finger. Over here, guys, you can see in the middle,
It's a yellow.
it's a yellowish orange
Okay.
and red. And so let's take this one out.
You want to take it out? Okay.
Yeah,
Careful.
careful. Let it drip. Now we're gonna take it out over here. Let it dry here. Now let's watch these other 2 science experiments. Let's see. It's kind of mixed over here, the blue. I made it mix. Looks like these 2 made nothing. Or it can make something light blue.
Maybe you have to dip it a little bit more, that orange side in the blue.
Orange side in the blue. Let's switch it.
Okay. Okay.
But then he's... What is gonna happen here? Anything happening?
Yeah, let's take out and see.
Huh?
Let's take out and see.
Let's take out and see. Everything became orange. I think we'll have to make the blue again.
Okay.
So let's just keep the orange paper towel here. So
Actually, look at the color of this water. See, it changed the color. You see?
yeah, I think it changed the color. We can do it once more with orange and
This is like green. You see, green
greeny.
and blue and orange made a green.
And now I can get a little orange and red. See?
Hmm.
Now we're gonna like dip it here. I'll just dip it here.
Okay.
Can actually go mix. Uh-oh.
You can dip this side. So actually this red and blue made a orange, you see? And this orange and blue made a green. See that?
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
But it didn't show in the paper towel except for
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah, maybe the color in here was a little bit light, so it was
So,
it's overpowering those colors. But still it worked.
Yeah.
We got new colors.
Yeah. So, bye for now.